It's my birthday! I'm so happy! Where is it? Found it! My big day!
Quick, let's go!
I'm hurrying!
We are late!
Move fast!
Mom, look!
Not now, Leo!
But Mom? I'm ready!
Go, champion!
What about me?
Come on, let's go.
Wait for me!
Hurry up, wait! They left her.
So quiet. All alone. They forgot. Come back. Please. Nobody is here. Oh no. It's raining. My sad day. I can do it. A chocolate cake. Almost ready. Found it. One candle. Perfect. Happy birthday to me. I wish.
I did it!
Yes, Jane! Thank God! We won! We're so proud!
What is this? Oh no! Mark, look!
What is it?
We forgot!
We must go! Leo's birthday?
Faster, Mark!
I'm going as fast as I can.
Is he okay? He has to be. Leo? It's very quiet.
Oh, where is he?
Look there.
Let's go.
I wish they were here. Bye, birthday.
Leo, we're sorry!
You came?
We love you.
Hey, Leo. This is for you.
Me? Ma?
Look, a real one. Wow.
Let's sing! That's the I want. Happy birthday to you!
Yay!
Best day ever. I love my family.
Family is love. I feel bad. I am sorry.
It's okay, Dad.
Wait here. What is this?
Listen, everyone.
Chocolate.
Listen, Leo. You are special.
I know, Mom.
The last one.
Is it for me? My God! A telescope. To see stars?
For my star. Almost ready.
Look, the moon!
It's huge.
I see it! It's beautiful! Wow, Dad!
Can I see?
Look there, Jake!
So many stars.
No more rain. A falling star.
Quick, make a wish. I wish always.
That's a good one, son. I am tired. Time for bed.
Best birthday.
One story?
The paper cake story.
Once upon a time.
Leo? I love you, bro. Brothers forever.
Bye-bye!
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. The end.